Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to delete the song from the list box. So let's start coding. So first of all we will create a new function that is delete song. Then after this, for deleting the song, first we need to extract the current song that is playing right now. Okay, so we will store that in a variable current song, and it will be self.songslist.index of active. So it will give the current index of the song. Now what we want to do is when we delete the current song, then the control should move to the next song that is present in the list box. So we will do here if self.songs.list.size. If its size is greater than 1, means if the list contains more than one song, then we will be performing this operation. Now here we will check if the current song that we are trying to delete is the last song present in the list. So we will do if current song is equals to self.songslist.size -1. If this is the case, then we will be selecting the song that is just present before it. So self.songslist.selectionSet, and we will select the song last second index, that is self.songslist.size, and it will be -2. Now after this we also need to activate this song self.songslist.activate, and we will be activating the last second song, that is self.songslist.size -2. So this is the case when the song we are trying to delete is present at the last index. Now if it is not, then we will go in the else part, and here we will just select the next song, that is current song plus 1. So songs list dot selection set current song plus 1, and we also need to activate this songs list dot activate current song plus 1. Now after deleting the song, how the playlist is going to look like is being done by this code. Now in order to delete the song, we will be doing self.songslist.delete, and here we will provide the index, that is current song. So this code will delete the song, but after deleting the song we also need to stop the song that is currently being played, and also we need to reset other parameters like button image and time elapsed label, so that it should reset to 00, and we also need to reset the progress scale value. So here we will reset everything. So self.progress scale, and its value should be equal to 0, and we also need to change the time lapse label. Its text, it should be 0000, and self.time duration label, that is music duration label, its text will be also 00. And after this we need to change the button image. So self.play button, and its image should be equals to self.play icon. So I think it should work fine. Now we need to stop the song. So for stopping the song, we have this function pygame.mixer.music.stop, and we also need to cancel the updater, because of which the progress scale is moving. So self.root.after_cancel, and here we will cancel the self.updater. Now let's mention this function name in the delete button. So our delete button is in this menu bar, delete selected. So here instead of command we will provide self.delete song. Now let's run the code. So let's add the song first and play it. Now the current song that is selected is Creative Minds. Let's delete this. So as you can see, the current song that is Creative Minds has been deleted, and the next song that was present, that is Little Idea, it has been selected now. So this is how that logic is working. Now let's select this song. Now if I delete this, then the memory should be selected. So it's working fine. Now we have to implement this delete all function. Now what it should do is it should erase all the songs from this playlist. Now we need to implement both this button functionality in the same function. So let's do this. So in this menu bar, in this command section, we will also provide same function name self.delete song. Now how this self.delete song function is going to recognize if it needs to delete all the song or the selected one. So here we will pass a parameter while we call the function. So we will be using lambda function here in the lambda function, and we will give here selected, and in case of delete all we will be providing a text all. Now we need to mention this text in the function as well. So here in delete song, here we will accept this as command. Now we will be doing this only when we are deleting a particular song. So here we will specify the if condition. If command is equals to selected, then we will be doing this operation. and it will also be inside. And if the command is not selected, it means we want to delete all the song. So for that we need to use self.songlist.delete, and here we will provide the starting index to the end index. The starting index will be 0 and end index will be self.songslist.size -1. This is the ending index. So this will delete all the songs from the playlist. Now I think it should work fine. Let's run the code. So add the song and play it. Now let's delete all the songs. So as you can see, all the songs are deleted. So that's how our delete selected and delete all buttons are working. Now that's it for this video. Now in this next video we will be refactoring our code, because at present there are some errors, like even though the songs are not present and we press the buttons, it tries to play the song, therefore we are getting this error. So we need to handle this. So in the next video we will be completing our music player. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next one. Bye bye.